Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And I thought I would do a really quick video because there's been some big developments with 99L. So last night it was going over it was going over land here, and obviously it had a really pronounced middle level circulation at that time, and like it was pretty impressive. And over time, over most of its time over land, it had convection over its middle level center, which was like really impressive. And then it died off the actual convection, and then as soon as it hit the water as a Bear Campeche in the morning, it just blew away with convection. And now there's actual evidence it's really starting to organize itself. So right now it's blowing up consistent minus 70 plus convection, and in the past couple of hours it's been starting to like get more symmetrical and circular. And there's bits of banding happening here, and then the north to the south of it is some banding. And if we quickly go on higher res visible here, you can see here, now you're going to load, I can see what's going on. So as you can see here, there's some westerly winds starting to come into the south here, and then there's some southerly winds, and then there's easterly winds, so it's starting to turn out. In the center is probably starting to form around this sort of area, like around where the actual main convection is, and it's got around until tomorrow night, to late tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, until it hits landfall here. And it's got a really good environment, like around 10 knots of shear, and everything's in place. The ocean temperatures are like 29-30 degrees, so it's gonna have around or just over a day of development. And in my opinion, this could become a tropical storm, and it could become a mid-range, possibly stronger tropical storm. And just all depends on how fast it ramps up based on its size and everything like that. It's a very small storm, so once it really starts to get that circulation like pronounced, it can really like ramp up fast, and same as it can ramp down really fast depending on the environment. But this is something to really keep an eye on if you're in Mexico, even towards Texas area. Really keep an eye on this over like the next day. Just make sure you have your preparations ready in case it heads your way, cause this is in my opinion, it's really starting to get its act together now. And like as I was saying, as soon as it hit the waters of Bear Campeche, you just blew it with convection, which tells you how healthy the environment is and how healthy the storm was in general. Obviously the storm when it hit the waters, it wasn't like very strong and like really strong low level center, and it was really organized. It was organized enough for it to hit the waters, and then the ocean heat instantly reacts with the storm, and then it just blew up convection. So this is a sign it's healthy and it's starting to get organized. And just stay safe, and I'll do another video tomorrow.